So coming to sixth question, two crossroads each of width 10 meters cut at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meters and breadth 300 meters. Here two crossroads are there. They are cut along each of width 10 meters. So road width 10 meters cut at right angles to the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meters and 300 meters. Here park measurements are given 700 meters and 300 meters, and two crossroads are given which are at the center, and these are parallel to this one. This road is parallel to this one and this road is parallel to this one. Here they ask to find the area of the roads, also find the area of the park excluding roads, and give the area in hectares. So finally the area we have to give in hectares. So here consider this as road 1 and this as road 2. So the roads are in the rectangular shape. See here the measurements we have to know. It is 10 meters. Now what is its length? Its length is 700 meters and breadth is 10 meters. Okay, now for this one, this length is 300 meters and breadth same 10 meters only. And here you observe these crossroads are touching here. So this will become the common area. So this common area we have to subtract from the total area of the roads. See, first you write down area of road 1 is equal to length into breadth. So 700 into 10. So which is equal to 7000 meters square. This is area of road 1. So area of road 2 is equal to L into B, which is equal to 300 into 10. So 3000 meters square. So common area of roads. Common area of roads. So it is in the shape of a square. So it is side square. So 10 into 10, which is equal to 100 meters square. Now total area of roads is equal to this one area plus this one area minus this area. So 7000 plus 3000 minus 100. So which is equal to 10,000 minus 100, 009, 9900 meters square. So we know 1 meter square is equal to 1 by 10,000 hectares. I already told you. Now 9900 meters square is equal to 9900 by 10,000, which is equal to 0.99 hectares. So this is area of roads. Now we have to find out total area of park. So area of park is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 700 into 300, which is equal to 2,10,000 meters square. If we convert into hectares, this is 1000 by 10,000, which is equal to 21 hectares. So this is the total park area. Now park area excluding roads. So area of park excluding roads is equal to 21 minus 0.99. So 19.01 hectares. So this is the area of the park excluding roads, 19.01 hectares.